This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, and we're wrapping up the second day of our screen printing class. This class we focused a lot on water-based printing, we focused on CMYK process printing, we did a lot of film output and screen exposure, and we've been printing pretty much all day. And we have a few classes available on our website. We're very excited this class to have out-of-state students and students from all over California. We've had a great time. If you're interested in joining the class, look us up on the website, norcalsps.com. Thanks for watching and keep on printing.
My experience with the 2 days, personally, I feel like it was real good. I learned a lot, and then I feel like I'll be able to move forward with a lot better experience. I would highly recommend the classes and that you take it, especially if you're beginning. It teaches you a lot about everything, both sides of it, the business and the screen print side. So I would highly recommend it.
Very good, I enjoyed it. Insightful, very helpful, great experience.
I came in here with no knowledge with screen printing. I would highly recommend if you don't know anything about it. The class was amazing. I feel like I'm leaving with great knowledge.